Looking for the right vehicle? Check out 2021 Atlas. The Volkswagen Atlas provides you all the flexibility you'd expect from a crossover vehicle with 3 rows of seating. The Atlas also features the latest in audio and safety technologies. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: panoramic moonroof, alloy wheels, power liftgate, traction control system, daytime running lights, luggage rack, navigation system, backup camera, leather upholstery, heated seats. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.